My name is Musa Letitia from Samburu County, Maralal, and I would like to welcome you here in Nkosira farm, which is situated 1 kilometer away from Maralal town. This land is 3 acres of land, and it's subdivided into 3 portions, which is Block A, Block B, and Block C. This is now Block C, and this is how the land used to be when we came here back 2016. And now I will now take you to Block A, where we have started our projects, and now we are trying, and we will now bring the ideas into Block C. Okay, this is now our Block A, and we have done a lot of experiments here. As we are seeing here, we have done ugu culture, no digging farm, and we have planted some fruits there. And if this is now an experiment of ugu culture, and ugu culture is a no dig farm, and we have added some logs under the first level. We have added grass. After grass, we added some manure and soil mixed with manure. And this is now our kitchen garden. We plant all kinds of vegetables. As we are seeing kales here, we planted carrots, we planted spinach. Here is terere. And we are looking forward to do more of this ugu culture. This is now our water pan, and we constructed it using local available resources like timber. And we are getting this water from our roofs here. And sometimes there is strong sun rays, so we use this net to preserve the sun rays from hitting the plants. And this is our ugu culture. Here we have a sunken swell, and there are raised beds there. These are raised swells, and they are looking good. We are doing our best to produce from our environment. This is also our first experiment of recycling the bottles, the plastic bottles, and we recycled this, and we planted onions with a simple way. I think this is a simple way of recycling bottles. Now we are looking forward to do more of them. This is now where we did our fruit experiments, and we planted some tomato tree. And since we are just from drought, these tomato trees have now dried up, and we are now just left with others. But we are now looking forward to plant more of these tomato trees. These soils here is where we have planted our drought-resistant scales, and they are nice. I think we used them for that drought, and it just started raining 1 week ago, and we are good with our scales. Here we have our dam, our water pan, which we collect water, outside water, from those other farms where there is no trees, and we collect water with there is a sieve there which sieves the. Okay, this is now our collection point where we collect the water from that road there, and we added this. We block the particles, the leaves, and other dust which goes down to the pipe here, and the water goes through this pipe into our dam there. The water comes through this pipe, and then it goes to dam. This dam we are now currently using it as a fish pond, and at the same time we are using the water from this pond to water plants during drought times, and it's really helping us because we are also eating fish from this dam. In our pathway here, we raised some swells here. We we imported soil from a house there, and now we planted drought-resistant kales from our cuttings there at the farm. This is our block B, and we've planted some trees which we are looking forward to be a roundhouse forest, and we are planning to build that house, and it's looking good. This is a kale farm, and it's drought resistant type of kale, and it's the one which we have used during the drought seasons. We are now looking forward to transfer all the knowledge from block A, block B into block C.